we have a Nissan Rouge, and it is a, where is it? There it is. March of 2015, and welcome back to Coats and Coffee, and we're going to show you how to do front right wheel bearing on this bad boy.
Alright, so this 14 so far. We use 21, 14. These are new look. See, they use a different way of pushing the pads away from the road. That's fine with me. As long as I don't disturb them, I keep, they'll be just fine right there. Alright, so that's that. Now I do want to just knock this loose, because let's do this one, Keith. Just
WD.
Alright. We'll go behind you. There's a hammer somewhere in here. Oh, jeez. Yeah, hammer's here. Jeez.
That was it. Nice.
One blow. One shot. Now I'm going to take this out of here. Oh, Jesus Christ. And I'll put this here. Thank you. Now, we need to attack our axle hub, okay? So, let's see what they had in mind here, Mikey. You're going to bend this back, bend that back. Let's get some screws. If you're lucky, you're going to get out of this pretty easy. If you're lucky. If not, you're going to have to work on it a little bit more, Mikey. Fortunately. So I'm going to see the end of this one. This one just has one notch, Mikey. So let's see if it moves. Nothing moving yet. They have these things too, depending on what they have used here, Mikey. Lucky that one. That's what it was. That was a lucky shot. Now I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna grab the outside thing, which is just it's there for no reason. It's supposed to stop it from. What do you reckon this is?
24?
Oh, yeah, maybe more. I think it's 27. Even
27? What do you guys think that is? 27, 24?
First, a little guy. Little guy is too small. That's why I brought it one size bigger, or a couple of size bigger. Oh, nice one.
What's that?
I don't know. All I know is fits. Guys, get this, right? This is the one you want, right there.
That one right there, all right.
Yeah. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You go and find it yourself. Well, fine. I'll be a nice guy. It is... Oh, fuck. 32 millimeters.
32. All right. Nice.
Jeez. Now let's not mistake this. I'm going to keep this right here, Ricky. Now this is free. I like to push it back, so now all we got to do is basically go after these...
the inner ones?
Yeah, 4 nuts. So if you're lucky, right, we're not going to take out no axle. We're not going to disconnect no ball joint.
Thank God.
We're not touching any of that stuff. We're just going to pull this stuff out, right?
It's not a Prius, right?
No. And the good news is this is steel. That's steel. They're similar metals. There's next to no problems here. No. Bullshit corner. That guy's funny, man. You gotta take it easy on the beer.
Are we gonna drink beer while doing this?
No!
We just gotta get to those inner bolts.
Okay, now we need to get the right. I can get this car up a little bit more.
A little higher?
Alright, Mikey. These are 17. Okay, fine. I'll try it. Look like 17. Look like 17.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say 17, yeah.
Do I have a clear shot? That's the question.
Do you want to race this car a little more?
I'll put this right here. These are big ass. Borderline, it'll cut it here.
Yep.
This one, okay. This one, okay. But I got a better idea here. One. 2, 3. Come on, you know you're gonna get in there. All right, let's cut the wheel that way, a little bit that way. Let's see if we got lucky with it. How are we doing now? So from here, we can. Okay, so. Oh, it's hit the sock.
Oh. It backed right up.
A little too far, too quick, because we were hitting the axle like now I think we're gonna push the axle back up. Okay. It's hitting right. I see. The tool is actually getting stuck.
Oh no.
All right, so we need to go further in, Mikey. Oh, sorry. All right, here we go. All right, so. Can I at least get, oh, this hitting right in there, you know that? Look.
Oh, yeah, I see it. You need a white socket?
Maybe. I'm gonna try it. Got lucky there. Just hitting right in that thing. That's what it's doing. Well, we do whatever we can, what we got, okay?
Yep.
Two down.
Nice.
Thank you. Now, I know I can get away with this on top. I don't know, why did I back off? Oh yeah. I chickened out. Number 3.
Wait, did you just say you KFC'd out?
Oh yeah.
You chickened out? No. And 4.
After this recording, Mikey wants to go and get some
KFC. Oh!
20 pizza. Jesus. All right, so just gonna tap on this one a little bit. And this guy comes out of here. This is being reused again. You're familiar with this? Yeah, this is the crunchy one. Look at this. Look.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Goes gurk, gurk, gurk. Odd. All right, Mr. KFC.
All right. So that was it. There you go, guys.
Done.
Nice.
All right,
now.
2015 Rogue.